Wireworms and false wireworms are the larval stages of two families of beetles, Elateridae in the case of wireworms and Tenebrionidae in the case of false wireworms. They feed on many different types of plants, especially, but not limited to, grasses. Thus, they are already present at planting and begin feeding shortly after germination occurs. The first indication is often damaged and dying seedlings experiencing emergence problems. The larvae are long and slender and most often have a hardened exterior. They can move rapidly through soil and have no trouble feeding down a planted row or moving surprising distances. This video is slightly sped up, but shows how readily larvae can move in soil and away from light. The damage is evident as nipped or pruned tissue. Here on cotton, small feeding scars are visible as slightly darkened areas. Feeding can either kill germinating or seedling plants outright, or feeding wounds can open the plant up to infection by pathogens. The only way to detect wireworms or false wireworms is to excavate abnormal plants and the soil around them. The insects might not be observed, but the damage will be evident. A best practice is to begin scouting at germination and continue for a couple of weeks until seedlings have started rapid growth. There are currently no registered rescue insecticides, but insecticidal seed treatments, seed box treatments, and labeled in-furrow treatments can provide varying levels of preventative protection. Replant decisions should be based on stand counts.